Oh no, our heating went out. Oh, it's so cold in here. What am I gonna do? I need to stay warm. So cold. What am I gonna... Oh, that's right. We have this cover that's warm. Okay, we gotta go get it. Oh, hurry. There it is. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, finally I'm gonna be warm. Oh, I tell you what. We better call the electrician or get the guy out here to fix our heat. I almost froze to death, but luckily this cover, super warm, saved the day. Woo! I tell you what, I'm sure glad I have this cover. Don't you want this cover? I mean, after all, what happens if your heat goes out? Or do you just want to stay warm in bed? Or while you're watching a movie? Well, this cover's big enough, it goes the whole way down. Aren't you tired of those covers that are so small? Ooh, and cold? Not this. I am nice and warm under here. Okay guys, you guys saw the fun little skit there. Now let's go ahead and do the unboxing and show you how it's packaged and what comes inside as you unbox it. So this is what comes inside. As you can see, it's sealed off in its own bag. Go ahead and you pull it out, and this is it. So it's super soft. I mean, actually, super soft is not even a good term for it. That's really nice. Like it's soft, but it's not like the fuzzy soft. So it's got that like smooth, cool texture feel. Wow, that's nice. I like that a lot. So as you guys can see, the texture. Read off some stuff here. Surface is 100% cotton. Overall, this is really nice. I want to point out one negative thing. The only negative thing to this is that it does have a bit of a chemical type strange smell to it. So I highly recommend you throw this right in the wash. It's 100% cotton, so keep that in mind when you're drying it. You might want to air dry it. But yeah, it does give a smell that it's definitely not pleasant. So we're throwing this right in the washing machine.